Welcome to an FEV Tutor student portal tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to get your students familiar with their virtual classroom. Once students are signed into their portal, they can check out what their virtual classroom will be like by clicking on this Practice Whiteboard button. Here, they can see what it will look like when they're in a live tutoring session. On this practice whiteboard, there will be some minor differences, but the only big difference is that nobody will be interacting with them just yet. This whiteboard space is what we call a two-way synchronous whiteboard, where students and their tutors can both interact and see each other's work. Tutors will post questions here, and students will be able to use their tools to mark up, write notes, show work, and answer questions. This practice whiteboard is a great time for the students to practice using these tools. As they're writing on their whiteboard, their tutor can also see exactly what is going on their own screen. Students can use this practice whiteboard to get to know the clickable tools that are available to them, but they can also practice writing in the chat window, which will be another way that they will communicate with their tutors. This practice time is a great opportunity to show students how to use the options located beneath their tools. Students can take a screenshot by clicking on this button if they want to save an image of their work that they've done with their tutors. They can upload any relevant videos by clicking on this button. Some students use this when they're receiving on-demand homework help and want their tutors to know about specific assignments they are working on with their teachers. This last button is also very useful for students requesting on-demand tutoring. By clicking here, students can upload assignments, such as homework or projects that they need extra support on.